Welcome to Mother Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. Today we're going to install an LED pendant light and answer the question, what color temperature do I choose? We were at Home Depot and saw this Artika pendant light on sale. And something that caught our eye was this turnable white technology that allows it to adjust to 5 different color temperatures. We were familiar with this concept because of another Artika light that we installed in my hallway. That one adjusts to 3 different color temperatures, which can be controlled from the outside of the fixture. Color temperature is represented in degrees Kelvin. The higher the number, the more blue the light is, more like the sky, and the lower the number, the more yellow or orange the light is, like candlelight. When we took the new fixture out of the box, we saw that inside the canopy has a little switch that can be adjusted for the color temperature you prefer. The first step was to remove the old fixture. I turned off the power at the junction box and took the fan down. If you're not comfortable with electrical work, please hire a certified electrician. I removed the old mounting hardware and placed the new mounting hardware, but quickly realized the screws that go into the ceiling box were just too long. So I remembered a trick that I recently saw in a C. Jane drill video explaining that wire strippers have a little known feature where they can trim mounting screws. So I found the size that fit best, threaded the screw into the hole, then pulled the handles to snip the screw to the length I needed, and it worked. Then I was able to attach the mounting bracket to the ceiling. With that in place, I grabbed the fixture and used the included clip to hang the fixture temporarily to the mounting bracket. This fixture can be used at different heights. So next we determined the height we wanted, then we extracted the wires through the top. It comes with a clip that can be moved to hold the wire in place, which I'm adjusting here. It doesn't say anything about cutting the wires, so I just tried to feed them into the canopy best I could. Then I attached the ground wire to the mounting bracket. Then I used Wago connectors to attach the white, black, and ground to their respective counterparts. And then I carefully got the wires and cables inside the canopy and screwed it to the bracket. Then I turned the power back on at the junction box, and it works. What we learned. If we wanted to change the color temperature now, we'd have to take the canopy off to access the switch. It's not a big deal, but the light in my hallway has a switch on the outside, which makes it even more convenient. Now, how do you know what color temperature to use? This is more of a personal preference. I tend to like warmer tones for fixtures that have a set color temperature. With a light like this, you can actually just set it to the temperature of the other lights that you might have in your space. Sometimes when you take down an old fixture, you'll find the ceiling box might not be the right size for the new fixture. We've run into this when installing a few fans and lights at both of our houses. We had a 3-inch pancake but needed a 4-inch, or we didn't have a ceiling box installed at all. So keep this in mind when installing new fixtures, that when you take down an old fixture, you might need to head to the hardware store for more supplies. Do you have a favorite color temperature for your lights? Have you ever thought about it? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to see more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com and subscribe right here on YouTube.